Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together and quickly. In the first step, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type your %temp% and hit enter. Then you will get multiple files and folders here. What you have to do, you need to just select all these files, right click on them and select delete. Close this window, again open run, then type here temp and hit enter. Again you will get the multiple files and folders here, as same we did on %temp%. We need to select all these files and simply delete all the files. I have just deleted, so you have to delete the files. Once done, close this window, right click on the taskbar, select task manager, and we need to untask the unwanted applications those are running on our system. For example, in my system, I want to untask the Windows File Explorer. I will simply right click on it and select end task. With the same process, you need to close the applications those are running on your system but they are in unused. So now close this window and restart the system. You can also check out a description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.